Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate three-tier addition, which means adding three numbers together at the same time. So for my example, we're going to be adding 12, 23, and 34 together at the same time. Now I'm going to break this down a little bit further so you can see exactly how this is going to work. So let's start with this example. We're going to be adding 12, 23, and 34. So I'm going to start in my ones place column. And I'm going to start with my first two numbers. 2 plus 3 is 5. Now I'm going to take 5 and add 4 more. 5 plus 4 is 9. So that's the ones place column. Our answer is 9. Now let's move over to the tens place column. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 more is 6. So our complete answer to this is 69. And that's how you do three-tier addition. If you guys would like to see more videos on addition, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and you will see lots of playlists and videos on addition.